I rode the Deuce all the way from Fremont Street to get to the airport, and it wasn't that bad. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, Fremont to the airport via the Deuce. Kick it! I needed transportation to the airport from Fremont Street, and I still had an active pass on the RTC app on my phone. So basically, I'm getting a free ride to the airport if I ride the Deuce all the way to the South Strip terminal and then transfer to the 109 Maryland Parkway. The 109 is a city bus, and it's a quick 6-minute ride from the South Strip terminal to the airport. It leaves the terminal approximately every 15 minutes 24/7. You can board the Deuce on 4th Street, just down a little bit from the Walgreens at the Fremont Street Experience. You can also board the Deuce in front of the Mob Museum. Depending on the time of day and whether it is a weekend or not, travel time from Fremont to the South Strip Transit Center will vary. For me, the entire trip took just little over an hour. And here's the next stop, the BTC, Bonneville Transit Center, a major transfer hub for the RTC city buses. From here you could take the 108 bus to the airport. It might turn out to be a quicker ride, but I prefer to ride the Deuce to the South Strip terminal. It's an easier and much more pleasant ride. From here, the Deuce goes to the Las Vegas Arts District, and then to Las Vegas Boulevard and the Las Vegas Strip. Even though it was slow going at times, I enjoyed going down the Las Vegas Strip one last time before heading to the airport. I'm not going to show the entire trip, but here's some highlights from a beautiful day on the Las Vegas Strip. Once you get past Tropicana Avenue on Las Vegas Boulevard, the bus empties out and the trip begins to speed up. Now leaving Las Vegas. Goodbye Las Vegas sign. Until next time. Hey, is that Elvis? You can take a picture with Elvis at the Las Vegas sign. The Deuce also stops at Las Vegas South Premium Outlets. For more on that, check out this video. I put a link in the description box below. Here's the Rent-A-Car Center. Next stop, the South Strip Transfer Terminal. At the South Strip Terminal, go to Bay 18 to catch the 109 northbound Maryland Parkway bus to the airport. Bay 18 is located at the northeast corner of the transit terminal. It's a 6-minute ride that departs approximately every 15 minutes. Use the same pass on your phone on the RTC app to board the 109 Maryland Parkway northbound to the airport. Depart the 109 at the public transportation area at Terminal 1. If you need to get to Terminal 3, there's a free shuttle nearby. I will have a video on how to ride that coming out very soon. And that's mine, not so quick but cheap ride to the airport. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.